prepare for paying earnest money when I buy a house? That's a question we get frequently. Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with this month's Financial Friday. As you prepare your home buying budget, be sure to include at least $1,000 to use as the earnest money. When you go under contract on a home to buy, you will need to give earnest money, which acts as a down payment to show good faith to the seller. The typical amount in our area had always been $500 to $1,000, but in our current market, we are seeing higher amounts, more in the range of $1,000 to $10,000, depending on the price of the home. Earnest money is similar to a deposit when renting. The money is showing the seller that your offer is legitimate. Your real estate agent will get the check or money order to the brokerage that holds the listing so they can deposit it into the proper trust account. This money tells the seller that you are serious, but that you want some time to conduct a title search, get inspections, a property appraisal, and financing. If you fail to close, the seller may have the option of keeping your earnest money. So start saving today by planning a specific amount of money out of each paycheck or commission to go toward your future earnest money.